Listen, earning money is not an easy task. If you want to earn money, you have qualities, and you have skill that will help you to earn money. Without earning skill at first, you cannot earn money, and that is universal truth. Alhamdulillah, I have already earned such kind of skill that is helping me to earn money. It's very easy and simple to understand. Without acquiring any knowledge or any skill, you cannot earn money very easily. You have to find out your inner qualities. You have to find out your inner talent at first if you want to earn money very easily and for a long time. People earn such kind of things or such kind of knowledge or a skill that is very short time related, and they think, yes, I am already skilled and I have earned a good lesson that is helping me to earn money, but they don't think whether it is long lasting or short time. Most of the people earn short time skill, but this short time skill will help you for them for short time, but not for long time. If you want to earn money for a long time, you have to earn a good skill, good knowledge that will help you enormously for your whole life. And you have to always make yourselves update. Without updating, you cannot cope up with this modern world. The world is so much fast. It's running so much fast. You can't imagine how radically changing the world and how quickly the world is changing day by day. Every day, with the blink of eye, the world is changing enormously, and you have to keep yourself updated with the modern world, with the blink of eye. Yes, that is true. Really, in Bangladesh, you know that there is a subject in intermediate, and the subject name is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. I have earned this knowledge for studying 2 months or 3 months, and I know the topic, I know the subject, know about the subject, many things, and that is very important for me and for myself. It's true. After acquiring knowledge about the subject, I am earning much money nowadays, and I'm giving proper teaching my student, and they are learning from me different kinds of things about ICT subject, and that is very, very important for their academic purpose. They are making a good result, and they are doing good results for themselves, and they are becoming worthful person in their family and for the country. So try to acquire knowledge about a specific subject that will help you for a long time, and that will help you to earn money very easily. Earning money is not an easy task, that I said at the beginning of this video. Yes, earning money is totally tough, and it's not an easy task. If you want to earn money, you have to acquire a knowledge that will help you enormously, that will help you for a long time, and it will help you definitely, but slowly. It will help you slowly, but definitely. People do not believe in for a long time long-lasting gaining, long-lasting earning. They always try to find out a shortcut way, but shortcut way is not a proper way to earn money, to earn knowledge, to gain a proper skill. You have to find out the thing what is helpful for yourself. I'm repeating the sentence again and again to try to make you understand that there is no shortcut way to earn a good skill and to earn money for a long time. You have to go through a long way if you want to earn money for a long time, and in your way you have to earn so much knowledge, so much skill, etc. You have to also make relationship with your customer, with your fans, and with your client. Otherwise, your gaining knowledge will go in vain day by day. Without making good relationship, it is tough to earn money, reputation, and it is tough to be a renowned person day by day. I hope you got my point. Thank you so much. This video was about financial talking. Actually, I can't share financial talking for a long time. I have already shared my financial talking here, my financial activities here. So after making this video, I'm feeling a little bit happy. Thank you so much. See you next one in next video. Bye bye.